And when you come down here, you look for, okay, now you are here, you look for a product. We have all these products. We have these products here. It has a gravity of 86.97. It has a gravity of 86.97, which is good, and it's for $123. It's green juice, Organifi, and let us try to market a product which is not as expensive as $123. Back to life, new funnel with massive AOV boost, brand new user-friendly yoga program for back pain relief. Okay, just a minute, and you see here it has an affiliate link as well. Okay, let us see the big diabetes Lee. No, we want to old school new body, the gravity. Okay, fine. Now this gravity is 54. 54 also is a good gravity. It's 1 hour belly blast diet. It is for $33. Your average percentage sale is 83%, and it has a gravity of 54.6. I think this is good. Now let us start promoting this. You click here this button promote. You will be navigated to a new window. It all it will have your account name. You click create. Now this is a link which you will be using. Now this link is a longer link, and to promote this link at some places or websites or in some blogs, it's difficult to put, there won't be enough space to put such a big link. So now what we need is a link shortener. You come here to Google, and you type in link shortener bit.ly. Here, link shortener bit.ly. Bit.ly is one of the very good sites to shorten your link. I'm using it. I seriously recommend it. Just a minute, let us put, okay, now this is our, copy it, come to bit.ly shortly and paste your link here. Cool, see, this is amazing. As soon as you paste your link, it has got shortened. Now this is the short format. You just copy it. It's copied at your clipboard, and now we start marketing it at other places.